happen like this type. Fuck it.
I woke up to like 99 missed calls. That's like 99 people I probably pissed off.
What's going on, everyone? It's King Craft with another custom tutorial. In this video, we'll be turning these Air Force Ones into a Louboutin custom. Hopefully, I'll be able to give these to Boogie Wit Da Hoodie. They are a size 10, which is his size. Before we get started, I already made the holes in the toe box bigger. I wasn't able to film it, but all I used was a Dremel. They needed to be bigger so the screws for the spikes would fit in. First, we'll be rubbing the whole shoe with acetone. Second, we'll be taping up the midsole. Now that the midsole is taped up, we'll be painting the Nike Check gold, also the lower panel on the outside. Next, we'll be taping up the Nike checks and putting the Hybridge the label stencil on the side. Shout out to Customizer Depot for supplying the stencil for this custom. Now that the stencil is on, we'll be painting the whole shoe a dark red. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Do me a favor and drop a like on it for me and subscribe for more content.